How to get refund on App Store in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open Safari and open a new tab, and here you can search reportaproblem.apple.com and sign in here your Apple ID and enter your passcode. And it will be sign in, and here you can see the purchases, and here you can select request a refund. After select here you can see a note here, you have no purchase that are eligible for a refund. For if you have any purchase, then this is the way to refund. So this is the way to get refund on App Store purchases in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.